In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tracking categories in Xero. Navigating your way through Xero's features to manage your finances more efficiently can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, but worry not. Today, I'll guide you step by step, making sure you can confidently use tracking categories by the end of this tutorial. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Xero's website. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the web page. A simple click on this will get you started on the process. Next, you're going to be prompted to type in your email and password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials here to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. Click on Login after entering your details. If you've got your details right, you'll be taken to your Xero dashboard, the command center for all your financial management needs. Now, to get to the heart of today's topic, navigate to the Accounting tab from your dashboard. You might have noticed Xero's dashboard is quite user-friendly, so finding your way should be pretty straightforward. Once you're in the Accounting tab, your next destination is the Advanced Settings. This might sound a bit intimidating at first, but it's really just where Xero keeps the tools for more detailed control over your financials, including the tracking categories feature, which we are focusing on today. After clicking on Advanced, look for the option titled Tracking Categories. This is where you'll be spending the next few minutes setting up a system that can help categorize transactions, making it easier to monitor various aspects of your business or personal finances. Upon reaching the Tracking Categories section, it's time to add a new category. You'll see an Add Tracking Category button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you start customizing tracking categories to suit your specific needs. Now, you'll need to give your new category a name. Choose a name that represents the kind of transactions or projects you intend to track. It could be anything from different business locations to project names or even different expense types. Whatever you decide, make sure it's clear and meaningful to you and anyone else who might need to understand your financial reports. After naming your category, you'll have the opportunity to type in your category options. These options are essentially the subcategories under your main category name. For example, if your category is project, your options could be Project A, Project B, Project C, etc., according to the specific projects you're managing. Once you've got your category and its options all set up, it's time to hit Save. This action locks in your settings and makes the category ready for use. And that's it. You've successfully created tracking categories in Xero. These categories can be immensely helpful in organizing your transactions and getting more detailed insights into specific areas of your finances or business operations. Remember, the key to making the most of tracking categories is to use them consistently across your transactions. This consistency will allow for clearer, more meaningful reports that can inform your decision-making process. Also, keep in mind that while setting up tracking categories is a step towards meticulous financial tracking, your particular business needs may evolve. Xero allows you to adjust and add to your tracking categories as you see fit. This flexibility ensures that your financial tracking grows in tandem with your business. I hope this tutorial has illuminated the process of using tracking categories in Xero for you. By breaking down each step, I aim to make what might initially seem like a complex process into something manageable and, dare I say, easy. Remember, finance management is an essential component of running a successful business or managing your personal finances effectively. With tools like Xero and features like tracking categories, you're well equipped to keep your finger on the financial pulse of whatever it is you're passionate about. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore further, as Xero has heaps more to offer to make your financial management smooth and insightful. Until next time, happy tracking.